Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we've got something exciting to dive into, a powerful tool that's been taking the AI space by storm, Trickle AI. In this video, we're going to explore what Trickle AI is, how it works, and how you can use it to improve your productivity and streamline your processes. So, let's get into it. Trickle AI is an innovative artificial intelligence tool designed to automate and optimize workflows. It's a versatile AI that helps you manage tasks, streamline communication, and get insights without needing to manually dig through mountains of data. Whether you're a business owner, content creator, or anyone looking to make daily tasks a breeze, Trickle AI could be the game changer you need. Trickle AI uses advanced machine learning algorithms to analyze patterns in your work habits, understand your preferences, and then automate processes that would otherwise take up your valuable time. Imagine cutting down hours of work into minutes, all while getting smarter results that are tailored just for you. So how does Trickle AI actually work? Well, the tool is built around a core concept: task automation and personalized workflow management. You can integrate it with your favorite apps, and it'll start handling repetitive tasks, like data entry or managing emails, automatically. And get this, Trickle AI learns from your actions, so over time, it gets better at predicting what you need and when you need it. Here's an example. Let's say you're a small business owner. You can link your calendar, email, and task manager to Trickle AI. The AI will handle scheduling appointments, sending reminders, and even suggesting the best time to follow up with clients, based on previous interactions. Let's talk about the key features that set Trickle AI apart. First up, automation. You can automate repetitive tasks like emails, reminders, or even generate reports with minimal input. Next, there's the customizable workflows. Trickle AI adapts to your needs, so you can design processes that fit your unique business style. And, of course, there's the insight generation. Trickle AI doesn't just automate, it analyzes your data and provides actionable insights to help you make better decisions. Now, you might be thinking, this sounds great, but is it easy to get started? Well, yes. Setting up Trickle AI is simple. All you have to do is sign up, integrate your apps, and let the AI start learning your preferences. From there, you can tweak and customize its settings to fit your exact needs. To get started, head to Trickle AI's website, sign up for a free trial, and connect your apps. The dashboard is user-friendly, so you'll be able to dive into creating your first automated workflows in no time. Now that we've covered the basics, you're probably wondering, is Trickle AI worth the investment? Well, it really depends on your needs, but if you're someone who values efficiency, time management, and smarter decision-making, I'd say it's definitely worth checking out. For businesses looking to scale, content creators looking to automate routine tasks, or anyone who wants to take back hours in their day, Trickle AI is a powerful tool that can help you do just that. So, that's a wrap on today's video. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more content on AI tools and productivity hacks. And, of course, let us know in the comments if you're planning to give Trickle AI a try. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.